So cluster ready. Working with PVC. First, understand what is PV. See here, persistent volume is a piece of storage in the cluster that has been provisioned by administrator. So who is going to provision it? So Kubernetes administrator is going to provision this PV. So if you want to assign this PV, if you want to claim this PV, so you need to ask for storage. First request. So create PV for my particular service or pod. You can ask like that. Then they're providing PV. This is a completely manual activity. So dynamical, see, or dynamically provisioned using storage classes. It is a resource in Kubernetes cluster, just like a node in the cluster resource. PVCs are volume plugins like volumes, but have a life cycle dependent of individual pod that uses the PV. This API object captures the details of implementation of the storage. So that may be NFS drivers, CSA drivers, or other cloud provider drivers. So just look at one. This is setting up the configuration of pod accessing PV and PVC. And what is persistent volume claim? PVC is a request for storage by user. So I am the user asking my pod some amount of GB I need. So I'm requesting by using this PVC. This is similar to pod. Pods consumes node resources and PVCs consumes PV resources. So you can explain like this. See, pods consumes PVC consumes node resources. PVCs consumes PVC resources. So pod can request specific level of resources, CPU and memory. Claim can request a specific size to access modes. For example, they can be mounted, read write once, read only many, read write many, or read write once pod. See the access modes. You can see you can find more access modes details in the Kubernetes documents. So explanation purpose, this is enough. Yeah. These are all are ephemeral storages. Empty directory is ephemeral. Config map also ephemeral. Download API and secrets all are ephemeral. Means once deployed, it is running only inside the cluster. If anything goes wrong, entire details gone. So these all are ephemeral storage. Remember this. So they are managed by kubelet on each node. Backend kubelet is going to manage this all ephemeral data. See here, config map and download API secret. Inject different kinds of Kubernetes data into pod. So inside the cluster only. Empty directory. So empty at pod startup with starting com coming locally from kubelet base directory. Usually root disk or RAM. So now create PB first. Yeah. First step, you are the administrator. So cluster administrator create PV backed by physical storage. Do not associate with volume with any pod. So PV directly not assigned to the pod, that is saying. So now I'm a DevOps engineer, I'm creating some resources. So in that case, you are taking the role of developer or cluster user, not admin. This is the normal user. So create a persistent volume claim that is automatically bound to a suitable persistent volume. Create pod that uses above persistent volume claim storage. So create now one. This is the directory. Look, if not creating this directory, by default, this directory not available in this. Thing. Now check. So here, no data. Download any template from. So permission denied. You don't have access. Download this file as a Ubuntu user.
Ram, after ls, what you have did, where you have copied that link, wget space. Hello.
From here,
What is this link?
copy this link. Okay. Hello?
Sorry, Ram. What is this link? Where we can get this link?
Find from Google HTML template.
Okay.
From HTML templates, click on this specific link and copy like this.
Okay. So what is the purpose of using this link? Are we going to download something or what?
No, I'm going to set this data to Nginx pod. That's why.
Okay.
Command for ungroup. Linux website template. So this is the index file. All are related to this clinic website template resources.
Is this folder already existed one?
Hmm?
Clinic website template is there, right?
Hmm.
Is that folder already predefined one or we have created?
I have downloaded. Just I downloaded clinic,
Okay.
clinic, right? Clinic.zip. So in that zip contain this folder. This is the MNT. This is our directory. Chmod
MNT means what, Parshva?
I have created name called like that. You can give any name.
Where?
You can give any name.
Where you are created? Just now you are created.
No.
Oh, in the starting only you are created, right? Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah, understood.
Sudo git mode. Now this folder has full permissions any user. See root. As a root user, you can execute anything. Others also. See here, group owner, uh, group owner, others. So now create PV. That's the PV. See here, API version is a V1 kind persistent volume. It's find from API resources. Next, storage classes is manual. These are the labels. You can change the name of the PV. Storage class manual capacity. I'm asking storage 10 GB from cluster. Access modes read write once. Path post path I have given MNT slash data which I have created just now. Next claim. From 10 GB storage, I'm asking 3 GB. Requesting resource request storage. Storage plus manual is and also change name clinic PVC.
వర్షం
Oh,
ఇక్కడ యాక్సెస్ మోడ్స్ మీనింగ్ ఏంటంటే అంటే వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ మీన్ రీడ్ రైట్ వన్స్ అని తీసుకున్నాం కదా అంటే ఇంకా డిఫరెంట్ గా ఏమన్నా ఉంటుందా పర్టికులర్
already
అదొకటే ఉంటుందా
ఇక్కడ క్లియర్ గా మెన్షన్ చేసే చెప్పింది కదా pod can
అవును
request a specific level of resources CPU memory.
ఓకే ఓకే
So you can request specific size and access modes. Example, mounted can be mounted read write once అంటే one time. Read only many. So
అంటే
read only అంటే మనం రీడ్ చేయగలుగుతాం అంతే మెనీ టైమ్స్. ఇక్కడ రీడ్ రైట్ మనం అక్కడ మాడిఫై కూడా చేయగలుగుతాం రైట్ అంటే
అంటే దేన్ని
మౌంట్ చేసిన డేటాని.
ఓకే
సో ఇక్కడ ఇవి చేంజ్ చేసామనుకోండి సో దానికి తగ్గట్టు వర్క్ అవుతుంది. సో రీడ్ రైట్ మెనీ. సో మనం రీడ్ చేయొచ్చు రైట్ చేయొచ్చు మెనీ టైమ్స్.
ఓకే
రీడ్ రైట్ వన్స్ పాడ్. ఈచ్ పాడ్కి ఒకసారి మనం రీడ్ రైట్ చేయగలుగుతామని చెప్తున్నాడు ఈ యాక్సెస్ మోడ్స్ యూస్ చేసి. సో మౌంట్ పాత్లో మనం స్మాల్ చేంజెస్ చేయాలి. కాపీ కాపీ ఒకసారి
Small R one. Term R means read only, right? Here.
no recursive. Recursively
Recursive.
here folder include folder is there now.
ఏంటి
See now copy recursively clinic star means wildcard character. So this names any folder files copied from current directory means this is the directory where I'm executing
Okay.
this command. That is the current directory. I'm giving the path Ubuntu user. As a Ubuntu user, we can run the commands, right? So now see clinic PV, PVC and claim website came here and also there also. No, delete. RM. Okay. Here you can remove this zip and this existing directory.
పరశురామ్ గారు,
No?
ఇది వెబ్సైట్ ఫైల్ ఆల్రెడీ మీ ఫోల్డర్ లోనే ఉంది కదా, మళ్ళీ సపరేట్ గా దాన్ని ఎందుకు మూవ్ చేశారు ఫోల్డర్ లోకి?
మనకి ఇండెక్స్ ఫైల్ ఈ డేటాలో ఉంటేనే మనకి ఇంజినెక్స్ లోడ్ అయినప్పుడు మనకి ఈ డేటా అనేది ఫెచ్ చేసుకుంటాం. లేదంటే మళ్ళీ డైరెక్టరీ యాక్సెస్ చేసుకొని డైరెక్టరీ నేమ్ ఇచ్చి డైరెక్టరీ నేమ్ తర్వాత ఇండెక్స్ డాట్ హెచ్టిఎంఎల్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తేనే కానీ యాక్సెస్ రాదన్నమాట.
మీకు మీరు ఆల్రెడీ MNT/డాటాలోనే ఉన్నారు కదా, పైన ఎల్ఎస్ కొడితే మీకు క్లినిక్ ఐఫన్ వెబ్సైట్ ఐఫన్ టెంప్లెట్ ఉంది కదా ఆల్రెడీ, మరి మరి ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు మూవ్ చేశారని.
నాకు ఈ ప్లేస్ లో ఇండెక్స్ డాట్ హెచ్టిఎంఎల్ కావాలి. సో నాకు అంటే ఈ రిసోర్సెస్ అన్ని నాకు ఈ స్లాష్ డేటాలో కావాలి. నాకు ఈ క్లినిక్ లోపల కాదు.
ఓకే.
అందుకు
యా.
సో నో క్లియర్ ఎవరిథింగ్. use detail, apply -f clinic pv. Take the pv. So here 10 will be created. This is only inside the wall, inside the cluster only. We are not mounting any external mounting and all. So if anything goes wrong, means any pod crashes. So cluster anything happen means entire data loss. So this is also ephemeral type. So I discussed only ephemeral type only. This is not at all recommended in real-time projects. Create detail, apply -f clinic pv. So successfully created. Now click here bounded. Bound means it is asking 3 GB storage. It is PV is providing resources for this PVC. Who can claim this PVC from pod? That is Nginx. So specification of the pod containers. Hyphen name. Nginx. Image. Nginx. I'm trying to access external. So that's why I'm giving container port 80. This is the volume mount is okay. Here, same container level, we have to provide volumes here. See, this mount path name and volume name should be same. Then only claim will happen. check once. Cat clinic